Hello folks, we are back with this week's top 5 UI inspirations. First up is happy use. It's easy to get a color palette nowadays. The problem comes while applying it to your UI. This website not only gives you color inspirations but also gives you an example as to how and where you can use the colors. UI Garage. There are times when we get stuck while designing a specific UI element or a pattern. UI Garage has a collection of hand-picked UI inspirations and patterns that are categorized for you. Their filters make it easier to find what you're looking for. Next up is Material Design. The Design Bible has a lot to offer. This basically is a reference for designers who started using symbols on Sketch or components on Adobe or Figma. You must have a bunch of questions popping in your head. How should the naming convention be? How should I build this component? How much atomic should one symbol or component be? And many more. You'll find a lot of answers in this kit when you explore it yourself. Winnervest. Winnervest has made use of a good color palette and font pairing. Callout animation is a great method of showing information over the image. Hand-drawn illustration too goes well with the script font. Usually, designers are scared of using too much colors in their designs. However, these colors are used in such a way that they don't break the visual language of the website. Up next is Lestodo Digital. We chose this website for its minimal design and straightforward copywriting. This is literally a one-page website. The main copy is just wow. Creative yet simple. It doesn't feel forced how the menu is incorporated in the headline. This website just shows how the whole design can revolve around the content written. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and to become an undisputed pro in the design game, make sure you download the ProApp.